fabulous people. Welcome to the channel for all the vibes who create their own life trends. My name is Anastasia and today I am here with a new weekly, almost weekly Greece travel update. Today I'm going to share with you guys all the new updates when it comes to traveling Greece, and I want to begin with one very important update. Well, not so an update, but information that I know you guys will find very, very useful. So many of you reached out to me recently with the exact same question. Anastasia, where can I get a testing done in Athens? Because of course, fabulous people, some of you need to do a test before you go back to the United States. Some of you who is not vaccinated need to do a test when you're going to be traveling from Athens to the Greek islands. So today I'm going to share with you one of the best clinics where you can get that testing done fast, easy. And by the way, before we begin, please remember to smash that like button right now. And if you're new to my channel and my vibe and the vibe of this channel resonates with you, please consider subscribing. This is one of the few clinics in Athens that offers rapid tests as well as PCR tests 7 days a week. You can schedule an appointment with them by an email that I left for you in the description below, or you can come to the clinic without an appointment before 8 a.m. or after 7 p.m. to avoid long lines. The cost for PCR test is 60 euros and antigen rapid test is 20 euros. The results will be sent to you electronically within 6 hours of the test via email, and you're all set. All right, fabulous people, I was trying to be all brave for you, but I can still taste it. Yikes. But anyway, fabulous people, I hope that you will find that information useful. I also left all the details of that clinic in the description below, so make sure to check it out if you do need testing in Athens. In addition, I left links to other two clinics just in case you are not staying near this clinic or for some reason you can't get in there. So I left plenty of information for you guys in the description down below. Another thing that I want to make sure that I address is your question: what to do if you're just transitioning through Athens. For example, if you're going from Rhodes to Santorini and you are transitioning through Athens, do you need a test or not? And the answer is yes, fabulous people, you do need a test. Every time you fly or you take a ferry from Athens to other islands, you will need to do a test. Now, fabulous people, one thing, please keep in mind that this applies only to people who are not vaccinated. If you are vaccinated, you do not need any testing to travel in Greece or to Greece. This is only for people who are not vaccinated. Another important update that I wanted to share with you, fabulous, is the update on Mykonos. Every single restriction on Mykonos has finally been lifted. So those of you who are heading to Mykonos Island, you guys are good to go. Now there is music, parties, all that good stuff. Now, fabulous people, there is another piece of information that I want to share with you. And before I share it with you, I just want to stress one thing out. This is just talks right now. It doesn't mean it's going to happen. It might happen. The key word is might. And this information has to do with two Greek islands, Rhodes and Paros. There are talks, fabulous people, that they might put restrictions on those two islands next. The cases, unfortunately, on those two Greek islands have been on the rise. So Greek government is closely monitoring those two islands, and hopefully very soon we will know more information, and of course I will share it with you. And I want to end this video, by the way, guys, have you noticed how beautiful this building is? I am just blown away. I've been here hiding from the heat, talking to you guys for about 30 minutes, and this place is just mind-blowing, so beautiful. Anyway, guys, back to our topic. The last thing I wanted to share with you is an important phone number. You guys know I always share with you important phone numbers There is one that I always put in the links down below when I do a Greek travel update, and that is a hotline for all the necessary documents that you guys need to travel to Greece. Now, this phone number that I'm about to share with you is a great phone number to have if you have any questions when it comes to traveling to Greece, or mainly in Greece. Any question, any travel related question in Greece, these people are amazing. They all speak English, they're all super friendly, and every time you guys ask me a question that I didn't know the answer to, this is the phone number that I always called, and they were always so helpful, and they helped me with all the questions so I can help you guys. This phone number is 1135. Super simple to remember. Guys, this phone number is gold. Anytime you have any questions, anytime you have an emergency, of course you can always write to me, but I want to make sure that you have additional resources so you feel more secure when you're traveling Greece. All right, fabulous people, this is all the updates and useful information I have to share with you in this video. Please let me know if you have any questions. You guys know I respond to everyone. I'm here to make your travel to Greece as easy, as pleasant as possible. Before you go, please remember to smash that like button if you haven't yet, and to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. And I will see you all at the next destination, the biggest kiss from Greece.